All right, everyone. So my fuel pump has been leaking, and I have another one. It's kind of a mystery fuel pump. It's a spare, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on, see if this works. I have a lot of hesitation, and I think it's got to do with the 34 pick 3 and the 009 distributor. I plan to put a vacuum advance Petronics in there, so we'll do that another time. But first, let's do this. Make sure that's okay. This one we're gonna have to, that's good there. Distributor cap off. Maybe give us a little more room here. Possibly. All right. And fuel pump is hitting the bolt here, or the threads for the carburetor, so we're going to take that off too. And I forgot to mention, so this here is an alternator engine. This is a generator stand, or generator pump, I'm sorry. An alternator pump would be kind of offset, and I just kind of left it like this. So, as you can see, well, you can't really see now, but there's a lot of fuel in here. Most of the time, they'll leak out of this weep hole right here. When the diaphragm goes, it'll leak out of here, but it does leak in here sometimes, so, and that's exactly what happened here. And I got a lot of fuel around the engine, so we're just gonna go ahead and put this in the mystery one. See what happens here. There we go. I jumped the gun. Put the distributor cap back on. All right, let's tighten this back up. Tighten this. These are 12s. We go this way here. Yeah. I think let's try here. So we got the carburetor tightened up. We got the distributor cap back on, the fuel pump's on. We're ready to try it out. I was hoping the new fuel pump would alleviate the hesitation, but unfortunately it didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a different carburetor on there, see if that changes it. If not, then I'm just gonna go with a vacuum advanced distributor. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. What we're working on next.